Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain. I'm one of the attorneys with the Chamberlain Law Group in Perrysburg, Ohio, and this is episode number 21 of the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. If you are one of our regular listeners, I want to thank you for supporting our show and helping us spread the word about good estate planning. If you're new to the show and this is your first time listening, I want to encourage you to go back and listen to at least the first 10 episodes, because that will help you get a good idea about some basic estate planning issues, things you need to know about as you start your estate planning journey. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about a book that I wrote, and it is actually called Protecting Your Family's Future. I named this podcast after the book. As I said, the book is Protecting Your Family's Future, and the subtitle is All About Wills, Trusts, and Probate. So as you can guess, the book is really an explanation of how estate planning works. Now, I wrote this book a couple of years ago, back in 2020 is when it was published, and I wrote it for a couple of different reasons. Number one, I wanted to help make estate planning more understandable for everybody. Take a lot of the complexity out of the issues, out of the terminology, out of the decisions to be made. And this book is a good start in doing that. The other thing that I wanted to do with the book is I wanted to correct a lot of misinformation that's out there about estate planning. A lot of people are getting bad advice from attorneys who don't do estate planning on a regular basis, from well-meaning advisors who don't understand all of the issues that go into a good comprehensive estate plan, friends who heard from someone about this or that. So the book really helps, get down to the truth about what good estate planning is, what it involves, what the issues are. Now, we have this book available for download. We had a print version. It's currently out of print, but we do have it available for free download from our website, and that is chamberlain-law.net/ep-book. Now, I'll put the link to that in the show notes. So that you can just go there, you can request it, you can download a free copy of the PDF of the book. Now, let me tell you a little bit about it. So the book is broken down into 3 sections. The first section is Estate Planning 101, which really goes into an explanation of the 5 basic choices that you have in making an estate plan. Number 1 is don't make one. Number 2, you can do joint ownership, you can do beneficiary designations, you could do wills, or you could do trusts. So it has a chapter on each of those and kind of breaks down the impact of using one or more of those tools that are available to you. Now, section 2 of the book goes into probate. What is probate? How it works? Why do people want to avoid probate? And the different ways there are to avoid probate. Now, the third section of the book is all about living trusts. They are, to be honest, the most versatile and powerful estate planning tool that we have. And so they get an entire section all to themselves. We have a chapter on how trusts work, how trusts can be used to protect your loved ones, the importance of asset alignment in having a good, effective trust plan, the importance of keeping your estate plan up to date. And we have a specific chapter on how to plan if you have young children. So the book is about 140 pages long. It's not very technical. It's got a lot of real world examples. And it's just, as I said, designed to help you understand the issues and options, kind of like this podcast. And I hope that it would be helpful for you as you read it. So as I said, you can download it from our website. I'll put the link to download the book right in the show notes. and you can just request it, read it at your leisure. You can contact us to follow up to discuss your planning needs and questions, and we'd be happy to help you. So I hope today's helpful, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.